Morning everyone, my name is Prabjot Singh and he is my co-partner Adarsh Chaudhary. We are here from class 10.
So our theme is science and technology for sustainable development.
Our sub-theme is transportation and communication. So we have researched so much from our surrounding, from the YouTube and also from the Google. We found many problems and we have come up with the prototype solutions of that problems. We have picked up the some problems that we find the common. So these are the problems with a solution in its prototype. So here comes our first project. So this is fog radar. As you can see, there is a radar based concept that here you can see our ultrasonic sensor is rotating with the help of servo motor. So we have coded it like that. Its all reading will be shown on our laptop screen. It can also be an instrument cluster of the car. As you can see, this is rotating. This rotating shows the rotating of the servo motor and ultrasonic sensor. If I put any obstacle, suppose that this is a car coming from the front, so it will give reading and also it will show us the distance at how much distance the car is. So we have found a problem like in the season of winter there are many accidents caused by because there is high level of fog that a car driver cannot see ahead from its windshield. So that's why we have found it as a problem that if the driver is unable to see front, there are high chances of accident. So this radar based concept can be installed in the car and can be shown, and this reading can be showed in the instrument cluster. So this will help us to prevent accidents. So this is our first project and here comes our second project.
So our second project is automatic speed breaker. We used prototype LED model and a speed breaker with using Arduino. In some areas the police is not available, so people are not following traffic rules and they pass the traffic lights without any issue. So normal pedestrians are unable to move. So we made a prototype model to make them move from one side to another side. So here when the red light comes, the barrier goes up and the people can move easily. When green light came, the barrier came down. So here's come our third project.
So here comes our third project named Bluetooth switches. So we have found a problem like that in such cases the peoples are unable to buy an pre-made Bluetooth fans, Bluetooth light. If you are going in the market to buy a Bluetooth fan, a normal fan will cost around 10,000 and goes much higher. We have ended up with an idea like rather than purchasing the Bluetooth controlled appliances, we can made our switch Bluetooth. So here is a prototype model. So suppose this is a switchboard. We have made all the connections inside it. So here is our light which is not Bluetooth. As you can see, this is a fan which is not Bluetooth controlled, but we have made it our switches Bluetooth. So our fan is also now Bluetooth. So we can also add anything to it. We can also like we can also add microwave, we can also add our fridges, we can also add our AC here. So like I am controlling this from our tablet. If I am going to add the even numbers, like I have put it here 2, if I press OK, the green light will turn on. Now I give the command of 4, it will turn on the red light. If I give the command of 6, it will turn on the fan. It can by giving the command of the odd number, it will turn off the fan. Firstly I have added 3, so it have turned on off the fan, and like that we can turn off all the appliances line by line. So this is our third project. So here comes our fourth project.
So our fourth project is driver sleep alarm. At the night times when a person is driving the car, he may fall asleep. To make this cause accident, so to prevent accident, we made this prototype buzzer. When the person gets into the sleep, he blow a sound and it will make the person wake up. So this thing prevent the accident, and this is very helpful in the night time.
So it may be risky. If the driver fall asleep, it may cause accident and many collisions like this. So we have ended up with an idea. So here is an IR sensor that will detect the driver sleep. If you can see, it will alert the driver and driver will wake up. So it will prevent the accident and it will help the driver to wake up, and it will make the driver alert while driving. Our last project, fire extinguishing robot. So in such fire cases, like the fire is too much high and the level of carbon dioxide or the gases releasing are too high, so we cannot send humans there to extinguish fire due to the human safety reasons first. So here we have prepared a robot, like it is a car. So this sensor will detect any obstacle coming in front and it will automatically changes its path if any obstacle is in front of it. So we have modified it by adding, we have made it a fire sensor. So this fire sensor will do that when it will detect the fire, it will automatically send the signal to our water pump. So this water pump will then further work, and it will automatically throw out the water, and it will help us to extinguish the fire. So this robot can extinguish the fires, and also can be replaced in the higher fire cases, like where we cannot send humans. So this is our project. Thank you.